20 minutes, 25 minutes. Party makeup के लिए easy is that we buy cream sticks. I'll show you that makeup. Like the eye makeup whole shouldn't take you more than 7-8 minutes. Here, I am going to dip into colors like these for now to create the depth. Keep it at the bottom only. Please don't make that harsh crease on the socket. It doesn't work for everyone. Abhi I'll tell you how to use the brown pencil also with it. She has a nice space. We can go slightly higher, but see, flick it out. This works for most of the eyes. I'm telling you कि ऐसा मत सोचो कि वो जब तक आँख बड़ी और सुंदर नहीं होगी. मतलब sometimes feel that okay, this side was easier for me to do eye makeup. That side, it's called dark brown. Shade 2. Please buy this. When you don't get the brush that you want, doesn't matter. कुछ तो alternative होगा ना. तो any matte, maybe I would have picked this matte or this matte and done this if you want to do a matte makeup. इसके बाद भी obviously the colors will come. So we'll go step by step, but I am telling you a few techniques in one makeup, but don't limit this to this makeup only. You can use the different techniques in different styles that you want for the eyes. So another piece of advice is that when you start a makeup, please stand in front of your client and study her features. In most of the hooded eyes, one hood is more than the other. In most of them. अब आप क्या करोगे ना? If you start with a less hooded eye and you make a thick liner, you will try to copy the same on the other eye, and when it's done and then when she opens her eye, you will say, oh भाई इसकी तो मुझे lid ही नहीं दिख रही है, इसकी तो फिर भी दिख रही है, I should have gone thinner with the liner, but then there is no turning back ना, फिर ना तो हटाना पड़ेगा. इसलिए take your time, study the eyes, then start. I don't know how many of you have attempted to do a cut crease, for example. This brown from Sultry or any brown. I just want to like sort of intensify it a bit. You see how gradually the colors come. You are doing the skin and somebody is doing the hair behind. That is still possible. But doing the eyes and the hair together is not possible. Sometimes your outfit is so grand, you can mellow down your makeup. But we need to do opposite today. Which I don't mind. Why not? कि client की eyelid oily है and she has told you this already, then obviously you need to take something extra into consideration. You can't take a lot because if you take a lot, it'll turn into a patch. Side ज़्यादा लग गई, side कम लग गई, तो that side will shine more, this side will shine less, right? So just this kind of symmetry you have to make sure that happens. Yeah, because it's not blended. Now we'll bring the blending part into the picture. Do we need like a 10,000 different eyeshadow palettes? No. Brown, and I'll start to do this blending.